Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I will be speaking a bit quieter than usual because my friend is just asleep on the other side, just behind the camera. So for today's video I will be doing more like a reaction to BTS's new song Airplane Part 2, the Japanese version. I already listened to the Korean version, so I already know what to expect and I already know that I like the song. I do think that the live performance of this song added quite a lot to the song, and I do appreciate it a whole lot more once I saw them performing it live. So for today's video I will be doing a reaction and actually watching it for the first time with you guys to the Japanese version of Airplane Part 2 by BTS. Let's start. Quick info, so just so you know, Taeyang is actually my ultimate bias and I freaking love him. Let's continue. Ooh, it starts with me. He's looking good already. Jungkook is looking good at this MV. Jenny! I really like this part. Oh, and Rob is so good. This choreo looks so hard, but at the same time it's so interesting to look at. Jeho! I really like his moves at this part. The choreo looks so good. I really like their outfits as well. He looks good there. I really like Sugar's plot. Ooh, dancing under the rain. Fuck, they're liking it. Damn. So guys, that was it for my reaction to BTS's new song Airplane Part 2. Japanese version. So first of all, before I start giving you my opinion about it all, I want to congratulate BTS and ARMY out there on their win on the MGA NBC Plus X Genie Music Awards. That was a few hours ago, in which BTS won Artist of the Year, and I'm checking at the same time that I'm telling you this, and Digital Album of the Year with BTS Love Yourself Answer as well. I think they won something else. Best Male Group goes to BTS as well, and Best New Female Group goes to Your Idol. Love you. And they also won Best Male Dance Performance with Idol. Of course they did. And then they won the Genie Music Popularity Award as well. For Best Choreographer, it went to Song Sung-dok for BTS's Idols. And that's it. I think that's quite enough. That's really good. So BTS, congratulations on everything tonight. And I'm so proud of the for the ARMY. Anyway, let's go back to the review/reaction. So, first of all, the MV. I will be only focusing on the MV, as I already mentioned, and I did a whole review on the album, so there's no need for me to talk about it again. I do like the song. I do think it's really entertaining, really catchy, and they do show a lot of really good vocals as well as good choreo, and overall it's a really good song. So when it comes to the MV, I do think it's quite simplistic, but it shows well the sort of vibe that the song conveys. The set of this MV goes really well with the vibe of the song. I do like the choreo. I did watch it again and again when they did perform it live, and I do think is one of their best choreos out there, and set to focus on the choreo and not so much on telling a story. I do like it a whole lot. I do think that this choreo suits them really well. I do find that everyone is looking stunning, and overall the setting, where they are, the choreo, how they performed it, the different locations, every single scene with every single member is really well done. It's not one of my favorites when it comes to BTS's MVs, but I do think it's up there. I do like the way they perform it. They seem to be having fun. It's one of the things that I notice with BTS's Idol, is the fact that they are having so much fun on stage, as well as doing MVs and performing it all together, and it's a very fun choreo as well. So that was it for my reaction and review of this new MV, the Japanese version of Airplane Part 2. So guys, tell me in the comments below, what did you think about this MV? Did you like it? Did you not? Do you prefer just the live version? Tell me in the comments below, let me know. Yet again, BTS, congratulations on all the awards that you received tonight. I'm really proud to be an ARMY, and I hope to see you grow even more and buy your albums, because you put such good music out there. I'll try to make more videos and more reactions. If you have any song recommendations or something that you want me to talk about, give my opinion on related to K-pop, don't forget to tell me in the comments down below, and I will do it as soon as I can. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all that, and let's reach 2,000, and it's quite a lot, 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It would be awesome. I'll put the work, so I hope that you stick around for more. Either way guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, night, evening, whatever, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!